Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create a business Apple account. So in order to do that, you just need to be in your home page and you can just type in Apple business account, and now just go to this link over here, the second link right here that says please create your business account. Just tap on it, and now once you're in the page, this will be shown and you can type in your legal business name or doing business as, or your phone number, business phone number specifically, and you can choose what type of phone number you have provided, either mobile or office. You can type in your street address, city, state, zip code, your country, your employer ID number, and you can just agree to these terms and create your business account. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.